Today, okay, I made a mistake. Do with all this stuff? Well, this is stir month, and I didn't read the instructions.
Yeah, he didn't.
So this is going to be like a tiki drink in the middle of winter. It's going to be awesome.
But you're going to like it.
Yeah.
Because who doesn't like passion fruit? Who doesn't like mezcal?
Only stupid people.
Exactly.
All right.
Let's shake it up.
Welcome to Combat Cocktails. Dan and Derek are going to make for you the Age of Aquarius. This is a cocktail submitted by Dan that he found on Lifehacker, and then he went out to somebody else's YouTube channel and watched them make it. So now he's on this YouTube channel making it for us.
Well, I didn't watch him make it. I just read it.
Wait, did they have more subscribers?
They talk probably. I don't know.
So you're just like
they
all
said
of our people.
They said it tasted interesting. So
you're like all of my fans that watch for 2 minutes and then they click to the next video. and don't you try to lie. I have stats. I know.
They want to stick on.
Make sure you get on my camera. This drink.
I got it right in the camera. See? Boom.
We'll see.
All right.
This drink is 1.5 ounces of mezcal. For some reason, I decided to go with the point. 3/4 ounce of fresh lime juice, passion fruit syrup, and 1/4 ounce. So there's 3/4 of both. 1/4 ounce of honey syrup, and 1/5 of an ounce, not a fifth of a fifth.
1/5 of an ounce.
1/5 of an ounce of Campari, which is another way of just saying float on the top. Optional mint garnish. I don't have mint because it's winter and all my mint's dead. Passion fruit syrup, honey mix, available at awesomenedrinks.com. You can just dial that right up on your internet browser and you're good to go.
3/4? Well, that's a good amount.
Yeah, but it's gonna be tart. Hey man, you set the recipe. I'm just the communication.
I don't know. I mean, we neither of us have drank this, so
no. It's gonna be interesting because let me tell you what. You're taking Campari and passion fruit. And
I think Jen's gonna love this. She's just gonna suck the Campari right off the top.
I was wondering where you're going with that.
Wait a minute. A quarter ounce?
Yeah, just don't put the Campari until the end because it's gonna go on top. See, Booze on the Rocks watches all the way through. Plus, you should go and watch Booze on the Rocks.
You sure this was a stir one?
Maybe Booze on the Rocks. No, dude, all adding.
I'm
shake. No, shake and strain.
Oh, son of a biscuit!
You wanted to do it, so shake and strain it. That's fine because it has lime juice. And you're like, why are we? People are like, why are you?
I'm like, why are we? Yeah, I'm like, why aren't we stirring this?
That's fine. I just copy and pasted everything that was in that link. You're like, this looks interesting. Well, I'm like,
you're the one that told me that everything was a stir drink.
It was until now. Now everything but this is a stir drink. So there's an asterisk.
Elon Musk and Jeff Bezos were mixed up. That's pretty good.
What?
That's a pretty good compliment.
Yeah. I don't know if that's a thing.
We both have rocket ships.
What's your favorite vodka? My favorite vodka is
it's the one I don't fucking drink.
Doesn't have any vodka. All right, here's my favorite.
All right, wait a minute.
I will give you a
Mezcal,
solid answer.
Passion fruit, honey syrup. Okay, I got it.
Ice?
Yeah. Ice.
This is my favorite vodka. It's 360 double chocolate flavored vodka.
Oh shit, are we supposed to... You know what? This is supposed to go over crushed ice. And then we float the Campari on.
That's fine.
All right, so... Now I need the hammer.
So are you going to put it in an old fashioned?
We could.
I mean, it doesn't hurt, right? Just completely modify the drink to be what they actually intended it to be.
I don't think it was in a...
I remember you saying something about crushed ice. It doesn't say what the glass is, just says float Campari. But putting crushed ice in a Nick and Noir doesn't make a whole lot of sense.
No.
So it only makes sense.
I'm gonna go down in the cellar and do this.
See, now you get to jump up.
Yeah.
And fly right into the camera. I don't know how bars do this. They probably don't do it that way. They probably just use a machine.
Back.
Oh! It's like we have that door. Did you ever see that video?
Yeah.
Of the door opens up and they go down and there's like a whole a school down there for bar trainers.
Oh no!
And it just I saw it on Facebook. It's like they open up the door in the bar and then there's a staircase that goes down. So the door is basically the floor, and inside is like a whole bartending school, and there's stations.
Oh, I haven't seen that.
And like that.
I worked at a bar.
Near one?
No, that had like the cellar, the trapdoor
where they
was
get
like
the
right
actual-
there, and
Like that.
and that's where you had to bring up like cases of beer and stuff. That wasn't fun.
When did you work at a bar?
In college.
You weren't a bartender though?
No, I was like a
You were the
doorman.
go-to?
Yeah, is that too much ice?
That's a lot. That's like a slush.
There's a little bit in there. I mean, you probably can't, add any drink. That's probably better because it's only a 3-ounce drink. Oh, ah! It's a 3-ounce drink.
All right.
Why not? I mean, now it'll float. Campari on top now. Plus, it's cold enough that the Campari is going to disappear and you won't taste it. I have a better one of those. Don't use that. That's a piece of shit. There's a black one.
All right.
Why use a $3 strainer when you can use a, I don't know, $8 strainer? You know?
That's right.
So we went from a this is why it's Conman cocktails. We went from what was a stirred only drink that was going to be super classic in a Nick and Nor glass, and we moved from that to basically a tiki drink.
Yeah. Right? Oh.
You messing it up?
Yeah, probably. I don't know how to do this. This is why we have Ian here.
You don't know how to float things?
No, not really. It's enough, right?
Yeah,
It's not floating.
It's not floating that much. It is sinking, but it should sink because it's Campari, and Campari's gonna sink. But whatever.
I don't know.
It gets the essence of the job done. I mean, it's pink. It looks like there's grapefruits floating in there.
Yeah.
Here, I'll do this.
You're like, oh, what's in there? Oh, happiness.
Happiness. Let's talk about how happy you are when you're floating Campari.
That's right.
And the tart, the mint that you put on top. Totally, this is a tiki drink.
Oh yeah.
At the end, you get this. This is Mezcal de Leyenda Durango. So this is my favorite mezcal from these folks, Mezcal de Leyenda, because it's the smokiest.
It's a little tart in the back.
Oh,
It's not as tart. It's not like lemon tart though.
oh, it's really hard.
It gives you a little bit though.
Dude,
A little bit more.
when you add passion fruit, this is why a Hurricane is a big ass drink, because passion fruit, even though it's a syrup, it's going to be tart and acidic.
I don't think I think it actually maybe could probably use a little bit more Campari.
Float it on top then. I don't taste any Campari.
I don't taste any here. You float it on top.
It's on the bottom.
Yeah.
Because it's not
It's
floating.
like sitting on the bottom.
Yeah. Well, sometimes it's going to sit on the bottom, and we just got to... We just
Yeah,
get... Whoever gets the last sip wins.
There you go.
Well, mine looked like that too when I first poured it on there.
It went down to the...
We're not asking for
That's a
comments.
lot of-
We're not asking for comments at this point.
Sorry.
Watch that. Yeah. That is fucking... That's Campari. Oof. Sweet, though. I was surprised how... It doesn't taste too bad when you lick it off with a spoon. I
think it's a good drink.
Is it interesting like the other?
It is because you have the passion fruit with the smoky mezcal. The mezcal isn't like super strong. It definitely is more tiki.
This is yes.
Yeah.
This is a tiki drink in the middle of winter, but it's still interesting. Like you said,
I think it's interesting.
It's like a fucking roller coaster because it starts sweet. You're getting it almost tastes like a margarita, and then like as you crest that thing, you get that acidic like tart.
Yeah.
And then as it's
smoke.
finishing, you get a smoke and just
Like
a
you're left
little
with
bit.
smoke though, like at the end.
I feel like there's a little bit of Campari hints at the end, but I also
like
lick
it,
the spoon.
Come on, Jen. Jump on the Campari
Here,
train.
I'll have the girls try it on while we're doing.
I think it's good.
Yeah.
I'd drink that.
I can only drink one of those because it is the tartness.
The passion fruit.
A little bit better.
But you don't taste the Campari, right?
No, you don't taste the Campari in it. I think the Campari kind of
Smoky at the end.
takes down the passion fruit a bit.
That comes a lot later.
Yeah, see, it's good.
I can taste the Campari.
Yeah, I can taste the
It is
Campari.
slightly better.
But you know why? Because the passion fruit and the Campari together make it almost taste grapefruity.
Yeah.
I think that's what's tricky.
Grapefruit.
But you like grapefruit.
It's the bitter
No,
of the
it
Campari.
Yeah, I don't. It's not that bitter.
No, but it
It
does.
definitely isn't
Because
bitter.
I'm telling you, the passion fruit and the Campari
Yeah.
together make it taste like grapefruit.
Yeah, it's
This is
definitely.
actually really good.
It's
Mm.
like
I
a
like this
grapefruit
drink a lot.
flavor.
See, it's good.
It's kind of like it has the grapefruity.
Back-
Sure.
back for pictures.
I'll drink a little
I
bit.
think we're fine on pictures, but he'll drink it.
Wait a minute, I gotta drink a little bit more.
It's really good, actually. I would drink that again. I would order that.
The thing that's kind of I'm still on the edge on. Although when you took it away, I started needing another one.
Well, that's the whole thing, right? The bitter all of a
Yeah.
sudden makes you,
Yeah.
and then you get the smoke, and you're like, I really like mezcal.
Yeah, you can taste bitter at the end.
But like you just have to keep doing it, which is weird because I felt originally like I could do one and done, like good drink, but like it's so big that I'd only drink one. But I'm like, no, I really think I could do this until I get a hole in my stomach.
No, I could do probably 2.
It's like the Dorchester in the flavor profile, like grapefruit,
Yeah.
but much more aggressive on the tartness. Where like I think after a while you're gonna get turned off.
I could do like
No?
2.
Well, you used to drink like bitters as a child.
I don't think it's that tart. Dan and I have a very different idea of what tart is.
I don't think it's too tart. I don't think
I don't think it's too
bitter.
tart, but it's more tart than most drinks that I drink. And this does it every time. Like
Oh, I don't know about that.
the passion fruit is pretty tart, like in general.
Well, because it's sweet at first,
Yeah, maybe it's just.
and then
the
it kind of like tricks you,
contrast.
right? To like,
It's like
that's
the
going to be like a
Pieces of
sweet
Eight.
drink, and then
The Pieces of Eight it's a rum based drink that uses this, and like I like it, but I tend to like one. Where with like a standard sour like a daiquiri or margarita, I could just drink those all night.
yeah, a standard sour I can drink all night.
But it is definitely has like an addictive nature to it. And for those that like I said, you can get all this stuff at Awesome Drinks. The honey mix, we have BG Reynolds honey mix. You can buy that if you're lazy like me. But if you're like Derek, what the fuck is honey mix? I don't really know how Blair makes it, but typically, if you take honey and you basically dilute it 3-to-1, so 1 part honey, 3 parts water, and you just stir the shit out of it until it kind of not emulsifies. What's the right word? It suspends in the water, right? So it becomes one with the water. I think it'll eventually separate over time, but it's enough that you can use it in a cocktail. Because if you just use pure honey, which is fine,
It's going to be too sweet.
well,
Yeah.
it's not going to be too sweet because it's going to be stuck in the bottom.
Yeah, but it would be too sweet though.
Yeah, it'll be super sharp.
Yeah,
And most of it's still here, so you're just basically wasting.
because I think the honey in this just kind of like starts to like
Mellow it.
Yeah, it's
just
not-
even everything out, not really do anything. Yeah.
Passion fruit's tart. It's naturally tart.
Yeah.
So you have to have some sort of sugar.
Oh, and some passion fruits, holy shit! Like sometimes you get them and they taste like passion fruit juice, and then other times they taste like passion fruit juice that's just bite
If I had
into a
passion
lemon.
fruit,
Because there's a
I would definitely
Yeah,
start.
because
I would make this drink
The different
a
island.
lot more.
passion fruit is actually very tart, like a lemon.
Yes,
But when you're buying it in the store,
you're
there's a
getting hybrid.
difference. If you have pure passion fruit, it's going to be incredibly tart. But if you buy a passion fruit cocktail,
Oh no, yeah,
that
that
has all the sugars in it.
no, but if you could get 2 different types of passion fruit
Mezcal is really good.
fruit.
Yeah.
Where you cut them and you take a scoop and you put it in your mouth. It is a weird texture, but it's sweet and tastes like passion fruit. And the other one looks so similar to it. When you scoop it and you put it in your mouth, it's like you just drank lemon juice.
Yeah. It's
And you're like, and that's when we go to like Punta Cana or wherever they have.
The
Like-
Dominican has the sour.
You go to Cancun and they're sweet. When you're in the Dominican, they're super sour, and they put them out for breakfast, half cut for you to take. I'm like, who? Who's like, this is a good thing to have with my eggs or whatever I'm
I
eating.
take them. I like them.
She does it. And I'm like, I don't understand.
I like
you
it.
don't like
I do
bitter.
like it.
That's so funny.
It's-
No,
You
I
can
don't
handle
like
really
bitter.
sour.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's funny. That's
It's weird.
interesting. Usually if you can handle really sour, you can handle bitter.
I think it's a good drink.
It is.
I'd have another one of those.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's definitely worth making. Even though it's not a stir drink, it has all the good things going for it. It's got passion fruit, It's got Mezcal,
Yes.
which is good that Ian wasn't here because 3 of our drinks are Mezcal based.
Yeah.
Oh, that's true.
And this is like, you have to appreciate Mezcal. The finish of this is the smoke.
Oh, yeah.
And you're going to get it. You're not going to get the tequila flavor as much,
No.
but you will get the smoke from that Mezcal. And that's where all the goodness happens.
Because it starts. It's definitely passion fruit forward.
Yeah. It's a fruity drink.
Yeah.
With smoke and
And then the smoke comes on.
There's too many strong flavors to taste the tequila. That's
yeah.
Yeah.
It's good.
Then
I give thumbs up.
3 thumbs up.
Yes.
Boom. Sidebar, we're going to do some videos over there. You can go watch those. Our bartender starter kit down below. That's it. We're teaching you how to drink.